Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features. Features also include remote start, leather seats, heads-up display, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2014 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level. From its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, headlights auto off, remote trunk release, heated seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.